Hello, and welcome back to the GCP-Mindset channel. Today, we are exploring the path to a career in biostatistics in clinical research.
Welcome to the GCP-Mindset channel and all topics on clinical research.
Let's start by exploring why biostatistics is such an essential role in clinical research. Biostatisticians play a crucial part in designing and analyzing clinical trials that guide healthcare decisions and improve patient outcomes. As specialists who combine statistical expertise with medical knowledge, they help transform data into meaningful insights that inform the progress of clinical research. For those interested in a career that merges math, science, and medicine, biostatistics offers a fulfilling pathway with a significant impact on health and wellness. For anyone considering a career in biostatistics, a solid foundation in science or math is usually the starting point. Many future biostatisticians begin with degrees in biology, mathematics, or other sciences, and later specialize by pursuing graduate studies in biostatistics or a related field. A master's degree in biostatistics or a related field is often required to work in clinical research. This education equips candidates with skills in data analysis, statistical methods, and an understanding of clinical trial processes, all essential to the biostatistician's role. Let's talk about what the work environment looks like for a biostatistician. Typically, this role is office-based, though many biostatisticians enjoy the flexibility of working remotely, especially with today's digital tools. Day-to-day tasks often include sample size calculations, data management, creating statistical analysis plans, and reviewing trial data. Biostatisticians play a collaborative role, working closely with research sponsors, clinical teams, and other stakeholders to understand study goals and ensure that results are both scientifically valid and ethically sound. The role of a biostatistician goes far beyond analyzing numbers. A significant part of their work involves planning and organizing studies to meet regulatory and ethical standards. For example, they calculate the ideal sample size for clinical trials, ensuring the study includes enough participants for statistical validity while limiting patient exposure as much as possible. This ethical responsibility is crucial in clinical research, as it balances the need for reliable data with the duty to protect participants. Additionally, biostatisticians develop statistical analysis plans, detailing how data will be reviewed and interpreted during the trial. Effective communication is key, as they regularly liaise with sponsors to discuss study objectives and clarify statistical methodologies. Now, let's clarify a common question. What's the difference between a statistician and a biostatistician? While general statisticians can work in a wide range of fields, from finance to environmental science, biostatisticians focus specifically on healthcare data, often working with data from clinical trials involving patients. This specialization means that biostatisticians must understand medical terminology, ethical guidelines, and regulatory requirements to ensure trials are both safe and compliant. A biostatistician's work requires not only statistical expertise, but also a keen understanding of the medical context in which the data exists, which often means balancing statistical precision with ethical considerations. What are the essential skills for a successful career in biostatistics? First and foremost, technical proficiency is key. Familiarity with programming languages like SAS or R is often necessary, as these are industry standards for data analysis in clinical trials. Beyond technical know-how, however, biostatisticians also need excellent communication skills. They must be able to translate complex statistical concepts into language that's accessible for sponsors, clinicians, and other team members who may not have a background in statistics. This role also requires creativity and adaptability, as each clinical trial presents unique challenges that call for customized statistical approaches and solutions. Time management, writing skills, and the ability to work as part of a team are equally important, as biostatisticians often work on multiple projects simultaneously and must document their findings clearly. In clinical research, biostatisticians work closely with sponsors to understand their goals and tailor statistical methods to fit each study. This collaboration is more than just providing data. It's about actively contributing to study design and offering strategic guidance. Sponsors often rely on biostatisticians to help prevent common issues in clinical trials, such as misinterpreting data or designing studies that lack statistical power. Biostatisticians are often involved from the planning stage, which allows them to identify potential risks, ensure the study's scientific rigor, and optimize resources, ultimately saving time and costs for the sponsor. This proactive role underscores the importance of biostatistics in shaping clinical research outcomes. Every day brings new challenges for biostatisticians. While certain tasks, like writing analysis plans or managing trial data, are scheduled long-term, biostatisticians must often address ad hoc requests. A sponsor might come with specific constraints, such as limited funding, fewer participants, or tight deadlines. In these situations, biostatisticians must find creative solutions to deliver reliable results within the given limitations. This aspect of the role makes biostatistics a dynamic, problem-solving career that requires a high level of flexibility and resilience. For those considering a career in biostatistics, there's much to look forward to. This field is both in demand and offers a high level of job security, as biostatisticians play an essential role in clinical research that's unlikely to diminish. With its blend of scientific rigor, problem-solving, and ethical responsibility, biostatistics is an ideal career for individuals who are passionate about data and interested in healthcare. If you're drawn to math, science, and the chance to make a real impact on patient outcomes, biostatistics could be the perfect field for you. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope that you found it informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on clinical research. We also would like to hear, what is your experience with biostatistics and what you would like to learn about it? Please leave a comment if you have any questions.